This is the amount, and when successful transfer back to NoOnes App, this is what I get. Guys, are you not seeing that? So which means I come back to NoOnes App to sell it now, and look at the profit: 103,527 naira 71 kobo. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sheyi Dairo. Today in this video, guys, I want to show you how to make up to $30 every 30 minutes. And I probably no one have told you before about this bit now, and you have account with NoOnes App now. Now I want to show you those secrets of making money every 30 minutes by trading crypto online. So before I walk you through this now, guys, all I need from you to compensate my effort is to make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching me from Facebook, make sure you like my page, you like this video, follow my page, and drop your comment and then share this video, because there are many people that will be blessed through this video. And before I go, guys, you have to do something. If you want to be seeing more of my video, you can pass signal to YouTube algorithm or Facebook algorithm by doing these three things. Make sure you turn up the notification bell, give me a like on this video, drop your comments, share this video. So doing that will make Facebook and YouTube to be pushing my video to you every time I upload in my channel here. All right, I want to walk you through how to make this money now. All I need from you is just to give me your full attention by watching this video from the beginning to the end without skipping any part of this. So without further ado, guys, let's go. So here's my homepage interface on NoOnes App. I believe you have an account with NoOnes, and if you don't worry, check the comment section, guys. I have put my referral link and invitation code there. You can click it and sign up. Just so simple things, okay? Don't worry, use the link and sign up because of the benefit you will get from it. So when you sign up now and you get to the homepage interface like this, so the next thing to do now is to come here, come to trade. Now click on this P2P markets. Oh great. So if you have challenge to access the website like this, all right, probably that means your IP is compromised. What you can do is just to use a VPN, turn on the VPN, and just like my one, I can see my VPN here. So I'm using Zenmate. I can recommend Zenmate. It's very good. You can use Zenmate VPN extension on your Google Chrome. Turn it on. So when you turn it on, you have access to this. Okay. Now when you get to this now, the second thing to do is to click on buy crypto. Now you see buy crypto, I see sell crypto. Click on buy crypto. The second thing now is here. Any cryptocurrency, select here and select Bitcoin. Another thing you have to do is here. Come here, then select Nigerian Naira. Mind you, if you are from Nigeria only, select Nigerian Naira, or maybe you are in Nigeria, you have access to the bank and everything. Click on Nigerian Naira. If you are from Ghana, you see your country there. If you are from other country, just look for your own currency there and select. Okay, so I'm selecting Nigeria now. So the next thing is here, payment method. So this place now, when you get to this payment method here, just this search bar here, type bank transfer. Oh, when I even type bank, I have seen bank transfer here. So just click on bank transfer, and when you select it, click on apply selection. The next thing now is to come here. Look, you see these more filters, click on it. Now you are seeing Germany here because the IP based on the VPN I use is Germany, and it's not compulsory for you to use browser to access this anyways. You can use your app. NoOnes App is available on Play Store, Apple Store, and Bybit also is available. But using laptop will make it more comfortable for you. I'm still going to tell you more about that later. But if you are using app, you don't need to use VPN. Anywhere you are, you can use it without turning on VPN. Don't even use at all. You can use all those things. So now here I will remove Germany. Germany was there because of my IP I'm using because I turn on VPN. So now I will put Nigeria here. Select Nigeria. Now here, you see that it's recommended. Now I will change it. I will put it price low to high. I want to see result from the lowest one. I want to buy cheaper so that I can make money in the future when I want to sell. Okay, are you guys following? Now the next thing is here. I want to turn on this and turn on this recently active. I want to trade with people that are seriously online to trade. So I don't want anybody to waste my time. So the next thing now is to click on apply. Oh great. Now from here, the next thing is look at people that want to sell. There are many here. There are many. Okay. Now from here now, probably you see scammer there. So how will you know? How will you trade safe? That's the next thing I want to show you here now. Based on what we selected, this is the cheapest one. The first one you are seeing here is the cheapest you can buy from. But that is not all for you to decide on buy from this person. The next thing to do is to see this person's history, like the record of this person since this person have traded. Look at this. This person have traded to over 309 people, clients online. 309 clients, 309 successful transactions. All right, and look at this guy. This guy have 99.7%, almost 100%. The guy have good record. All right, and look at this place. This way I have over 2,000 likes. Begs for dislike. That doesn't make this guy bad, because just 4 out of over 2,000, right? And we can still consider this guy. This guy own have over 1,477 with 0 dislike. And this guy have trade to over 1,000. Oh, this guy, from my own mind, this guy have beat this first guy. This Victor Philip have beat Adex. First person to have trade to over 1,000 successful here, right? I have 100%. This guy have win my heart. This second guy here, Victor Philip, have win my heart. Is it my mind or heart? Now let me consider another thing. This first guy owns, the minimum this guy can say is 50,000 naira, while the maximum is 350,000 naira. That is the range. Now check your pocket. How much do you want to invest? If you want to put 30,000 naira, that just know that this guy you cannot buy from this first guy. Now let's check this second guy. This guy said within 18,000 2030 minimum, and maximum is 89,117 Nigerian naira. So which means you still check your pocket, still consider, maybe I can go for this second guy. Are you guys following? Now come to this rate of this guy based on Bitcoin, right? 1 USD equal to 0.98. This one also 1 USD equals to 0.97. This one 1 USD equal to 0.71, and so on like that. This is 1 USD equals to 0.69, where this first guy is more profitable. Now let's say I want to buy from this first guy. Now I'll click on buy here. Then here I will pay. Let me put 100,000. 100,000 now will get me this worth of Bitcoin. Okay, you can note it somewhere. All right, so BTC. So I'm getting this worth of Bitcoin with 100,000 naira, right? So let's move further now. The next thing to do is, now we have our BTC now. No, I have not put my money there now. I just want to forecast this transaction before I will put my hard-earned money here. All right, so now the next thing to do now is let's go to Bybit. All right, if you have not signed up for Bybit before, don't worry, I have a video on that. That was the last video I made in my YouTube channel here. Okay, you have to go and watch that video, but I'm still going to show you at the end of this. All right, just make sure you watch this video to the end. You are going to watch that video. So, or I can put it anywhere here. So now let's go. So this is my own Bybit homepage, right? The next thing to do is to come here. You see this woman avatar or something like that, and your profile, probably just look for anywhere you see deposit. All right, now click on deposit. Do you know what we want to do now? We want to sell our Bitcoin from NoOnes app to Bybit. That's what we want to do. Okay, so let's go. Now they say choose coin to deposit. So I will come here now. Instead of clicking on this drop down menu, I think they have suggested some things for me here. So I will click on BTC here. All right, then here they say choose a chain. I will come here, click on this. Then here I will click on acknowledge. Now I click on copy. So when copy, the next thing to do now is let's go back to our NoOnes app so that we can send money to this wallet. Look at this wallet we get now, BTC address. All right, so let's go back. So when we get to this home page again, we are coming to wallet here. Now click on assets. So from asset now you can see that here I don't, do you know what, I don't have anything. I only have money in my Tether. I don't have anything in my Bitcoin. So let me, to train you guys, I will quickly transfer some fund to my BTC wallet now. So I just converted some little amounts there now. So let me come back here. You know, here there's nothing here, but I just converted money from here to here. All right, and that is why, because I don't have money there, that's why this is not clickable. Okay, but don't worry, I will refresh now and let's see. Oh boom, now you can see. So now it's clickable now, right? So I will now click on send from here. So when I click on send now, which means where do I want to send? You say enter your username or address. So don't forget, this is the address. Now let me copy again. Now here I will paste it here. Paste. Now you see I've pasted it here. So sending it is free. You see fee 0. All right, so here now I will put the amount of BTC I want to put here. So when I put everything here, the amount of BTC I want to send, let's say, you know, I bought this. Let's say this is the worth of BTC I want to send, where I don't have it in my account, but let's say this is the worth of BTC I want to send. All right, so when said, then I will able to click on continue. If I have it in my wallet, truly I'll click on continue. All right, are you now seeing how to send? So when send now, I will receive it here in my Bybit account. Right, when receive successfully, you can come see assets. Now from here now you're able to see your account, the money we receive, everything you're able to see. You can, all right, now the next thing to do now is here you come to this trade. When you come to this trade now, click on this sports. All right, when you click on this spot now, you will see here you see here you see options USDT, USDC, USDE, EUR, and so on. Even you see BTC here. Right now here USDT, now the first one here is BTC/USDT. So you are going to click on this first one here, click it. Oh great, now the next thing to do is to come here, click on sell. click on sell. When click on sell now, let me go and copy our BTC we put here. Let's say, so this is right. Let me copy it. Then here, I will now paste it here. You see this QTY of BTC. So quantity of Bitcoin I want to sell. Paste it. Now when pasted, now look at the value I'm getting now, 56.56. So here now, let me copy this. Let's say I have sold this out, 56.56, right? If I get 56.56, let's see the worth of it, right? When received, here, let me come back to my this place, assets, right? Now I will now click on withdraw. Let's say I sold and I have this now in my account. Let's click on withdraw. And just if you want to trade online, you have to project. So let's say I have this worth of this thing here now. Don't forget, it's USDT I have now. So withdraw what? Let me sell. Instead of BTC, I will click on USDT here. USDT. Now I will now put the wallet here. So let me come back to this place. See, I have USDT wallet here. I will click on, or let me come back here. So this is Theta USDT. From I want to send, don't forget, let me just give you a recap. I bought Bitcoin, right, from NoOnes App, and I sent it now, right, to where? To Bybit. When I sent it to Bybit, I sold it to get USDT back. When I get the USDT, I will now send it back, all right, to NoOnes App. So that's what I want to do now. So I want to get my address now from NoOnes App also. So I'll click on receive under USDT Theta, right? Now when I get to this place now, you see options given me here now. This one also, I don't want to waste time because I think I've shown you previously. I don't know, is it okay? I've shown you previously about this. If I say I should copy this now, copy this address, don't forget this is Tron TRC20. Okay, let me test the water now. Let me test it. Let me show you. I will paste this address now. So when pasted, it says chain type. Now click here. Now look at the option given us here now. So this one now is what? TRC20. Now look at the charges. TRC20, look at the fee, 1.30 fee. If I use ERC20, if that is the one I want to use to receive it, look at it. I see this is ERC20. So if I select this ERC20 also, look at it. So before you send cryptos to somewhere or receive it, all these are the things you have to check very well. Okay, now let me show you again, which means ERC20 will cost me $8, just fee $8. God, TRC will cost me 1.3, and this one, now look at this, SOL will cost me $1. Now look at Ton will cost me what? Zero. That is what Ton will cost me. Now let me go and check if I have Ton here. I have access to Ton here. Good, I have. So I can click on this Ton, and now look at the condition giving me that if you will use Ton to get money into NoOnes account, NoOnes wallet. Now look at the condition. They say both a memo /tag/comment. They will put this one there, and the address are required to successfully deposit your asset to NoOnes. Otherwise, the deposit will be lost. Okay, show me the address. Are you guys following? Now click on show me the address. Now look at it. They have given me this now. Let me copy it. Okay, before I will copy this one, let me copy address first. I copy the address. Now let me come to this place. I will remove this one. Now I'll put another wallet because I want it free. So when getting this, now they say chain type. Now I come here, I select this Ton, which is free. Then look at the information given me again. They say most exchanges require a tag memo for USDT deposit to be credited correctly. Make sure to provide the tag memo as required for your withdrawal. Missing or incorrect tag memo could result in the loss of your asset. Now click on confirm. Now when I click on confirm, now they say we should put it here. Now let me come and check. I have it. This is it. I copy it. So they have given me. I copy it again. Okay, here they say copy tag. Let me copy this. Okay, I have copied it. Now let me come to this place and I will paste it here. So it's still the same, right? Either this one or this one. It's still the same, right? Now I have pasted it there. So which means I can go on now. Now this amount, how much do I get? Oh God, I need to note it somewhere. I lost this. God, let me see. I will click back. Anyways, I will leave it here. The amount, how much did we get saved? Maybe when replaying this video, I can see the figure of USDT. Now let's say that's the amount you put here. You put the funding amount, you put it there in USDT. Then click on confirm. Then you will receive it in where? In your USDT account here. So now when received, that's where you will see your profit. All right. Even before you send it back, when we bought, what, right? How much we spent? We spent 100,000, right? So 100,000 now, let's say, okay, before let's project now. 100,000 now, what's the worth of 100,000? Let's say you want to buy BTC, right? Okay, we want to sell USDT now. Let me say sell, right? I will now select Theta USDT. I want to see the value, right? So here now I'll click on Nigerian Naira. Here now I'll click on bank transfer, right? So here now I will select, if I want to sell, put it Nigeria, right? Now I will put the price high to low. If I want to say high to low, all right, high to low, so I can make maximum profit. Now turn on this. Now click on apply. So from here now I will not waste time with this. So let me say I want to sell for this first guy here. So how much Theta? Let's say this amount. The things keep my mind. I should have opened tab instead of using the same tab. Let's say the amount I got, I send it successfully to NoOnes App, and I want to sell it. So this is where I will put it to know how much I will get back in Naira. Are you guys getting me now? To see the profit. Okay, is it 105,000 I will get or 90 something thousand? If I get 90 something thousand, that means the strategy, the business, how I'm doing it will not favor me. It's not profitable. It's either I check time when I will buy and I will sell, or what? Or I re-strategize. So which means the period I want to do transaction is not favorable. I shouldn't. So are you guys getting the strategy I'm giving you? Honestly, this is so painful. But let me see if I can click on back. Jesus. Okay, I think I can. Okay, this USDT, right? Copy, and here let me paste again. Okay, good. I've gotten it now. Copy. Let's say this is the amount, and when successful transfer back to NoOnes App, this is what I get. Good. Guys, are you now seeing that? So which means I come back to NoOnes App to sell it now, and look at the profit. 103,527 naira 71 kobo. And when I invested just let me show you, just 100,000. The initial thing when I started is 100,000, but when I sold this thing, I bought BTC and I transferred it to Bybit. When it got to Bybit, I sold it on Bybit to get USDT on Bybit, and I now returned that USDT to NoOnes App to sell. When I sell it on NoOnes App now, look at what I'm getting. I'm getting over 100,000. Like now, I don't need to use a calculator. I have profit of 3,527 naira 71 kobo. Just fast within 5 minutes, I get 3,000 naira. I will still go again. This has to be making your money, cool money online, guys. So I'm happy because I'm able to get this back now. So for many of you that are very new to this, please, before I'm further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's what you can do to compensate my effort, like to do more. Hit that subscribe button. If you're watching me from Facebook, make sure you follow my page. And if you haven't joined my Facebook, check the comment section also. I'll put link there that you can connect with me both on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and any other social media, guys. So guys, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make video, Facebook and YouTube will send it to you. All right, they will notify you. So for many of you that don't have any knowledge about Bybit, you have not watched video on Bybit, I'll put it here to go and watch. If you don't have knowledge about NoOnes App, we want to know details about NoOnes App, I'll put here for you to go and watch. And if you want to know generally about crypto, I'll put it here about crypto. Go and watch this. Guys, I love you. See you guys in my next videos.